Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are together again for another unboxing. The box that we'll be opening today is from Ipsy. It is the June, I know late, 2020 Glam Bag Extreme. So let's go ahead and dig into this box and see what June had in store for us. I can't say has because it is July. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited to see what's in this box. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this baby. So the first thing we're going to whip out is the info sheet. This is an info sheet on sunscreen. Okay, there's no info sheet on the prices, sorry, but the theme is make waves, beach time. So let's see the bag that is included in this month. It is such a cute little bag. It is chicks laying on pool floaties or beach towels depending on your imagination. On this yellow inside, super fun colors for summer. Awesome. First product that I'm going to go ahead and pull out of here is from Laura Geller. It is the Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Primer Set Refresh. Ooh, interesting. It's like a 3-in-1 situation. Let's go ahead and spritz some in the air and see if it smells like coconut, because that would be awesome. So let's go ahead and actually, I'm gonna put some on my face. Refresh, right? It says refresh. It doesn't smell like coconut. Oh, like kind of. Not really. It doesn't really smell like anything. It feels refreshing. The next product is from Dr. Brandt. Huge Dr. Brandt fan. It is the Luminizer Primer Pores No More. I have actually owned this before. I got it, I think, in one of my boxes. Yes, I have owned this before. It is a good primer. I definitely did enjoy this primer. Thank you very much, Dr. Brandt. Let's go ahead and stick that baby in there. I can't put it back, so I'm just gonna put it here and toss box. The next thing is Feels Like a Palette. It is from, now this brand, I could never pronounce the name, so it's either Deuce or Dose or Deuce, I don't know. But it is the Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. When I went to Ipsy Live, not last year, the year before, this brand was there when it was Creator Day. This brand was there and you were able to make your own palette. The shadows were amazing, definitely pigmented. So I'm excited to see what kind of shadows are in here. So we have 8 shadows here. We have 4 matte and 4 shimmer shadows and a highlight shade. And I'm going to head and swatch this baby right to left. My right, your left. We have Amanda, Kingsley, Hannah, Hillary, which was a huge disappointment. I thought it was going to be nice and dark. Mila, Courtney, Gigi, which is a very cute shade, and Tenley. And that last shade there is Solstice, the highlight shade in here. I gotta tell you, the only ones that I'm really digging are these two right here because they're very differentes. I really like them. This one I would have to see on the lid. You know, I would have to see it on the eye, see how it looks. But I thought it was going to be more frostier than that. Yeah, I really did. I thought, but it wasn't. The next item in this box is from Seattle, London. It is a Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm. Ooh. First of all, this packaging is the shit. I love stars so much that anything that has stars is uber cute to me. So cute. Look at this stick. It has little stars on it. So cute. And the shade is called Glow. Obviously, it's a highlighting thingy. Oh, cool. Kind of looks like a rollerball kind of situation. So let's see how highlighty you are. See that? Very subtle highlight. Very subtle. Let's go ahead and use some of that. on these cheeks. It's like not very too-much, very subtle, which is good, I guess, you know, because you can, you know, you can pack it on if you wanted to. So that is the Ciate London Gloss Dewy Stick in Glow. The next thing in here is from H2O Plus. It is Hydrating Oasis Nourishing Gel Cream. Let's see what this smells like. It smells like nothing. I love it. I love fragrance-free things. Thank you, H2O Plus. The next thing here is from Bio Race Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. See if any smells. No, it smells very masky. You know what masks smell like? It smells like that. Not in a bad way, in a good way. And el próximo is from Il Maquillage or Il Maquillaje, whichever way you want to say it. It is the Infinity Long Wear Matte Lip Cream in the shade Matte Geisha. It looks like a nice cherry red shade, which obviously I like. So let's see. Ooh, I like this packaging. I like it a lot. Black packaging, frosted bottom with the color showing. Something about this screams elegant to me. So, and it's heavy. Like it has a weight to it. Pretty. Let's see if the color is pretty, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be because it's red. I love red shades. Very, very nice. This is the matte, what did I say it was? Matte Geisha shade from Il Maquillage or Il Maquillaje. Very cute cherry red color. I am digging it. I love red lip colors. Love it. Moving on. From Glow Recipe, we have Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Interesting. Let's see if it smells like blueberry. Oh, it smells good. It has like a very, very, very subtle scent. A good one, anyways. Oh, it's the lipstick that has a scent, not the cleanser. Probably should have done it on the opposite hand. What can you do? No set cleanser. Awesome. Thank you very much. The following thing we have Huda Beauty. Big fan of Huda Beauty. She does good stuff. Huda Beauty, the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. It comes in this plastic Ziploc bag looking thing. Black. I like black sponges because they look less dirty. Black sponge, and it has a flat angled top here, which would probably be good for when you're like carving out right here or setting down here. Cool. Basic B makeup sponge from Huda Beauty. Ooh, another product from Ciate London. It is the Wonder Wand Mascara in most likely a black shade because they always send black. That is your basic mascara shade, black. It has kind of like a curve to it here. Do you see that shape there to this wand? Cool. My lashes are really, really straight, so they don't really work with a lot of mascaras. So we will see how this works out for me. I usually have to give mascaras away because unfortunately they never work. So the next thing here is from Larousse. It says Larousse Beauty. Very cute packaging. It's like a teal, not even a teal. I don't know what you would call this. It looks tealish. Envelope with a logo sticker thingy. Cute. I almost don't want to open this. Very cute. It really is like this, like an envelope. And inside this envelope are brushes. You can never have too many brushes. And these are vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic synthetic brushes. There is 5 of them. Let me take off the plastics and then I will show you what they are. I can tell you right now that I really like them. Do you want to know why I really like them? Because of the handle. It has like these like studs. studded black handle, kind of gunmetal-y. I don't know what you call this, but it's really smooth. Yeah, so gunmetal-y attachment thing, I don't know. But I'm really digging this studded handle, very digging it. Are they soft? Yes. So this one is a flat foundation brush. This one here is the LR2222 Kabuki brush. Cool. This one here is the LR334 Angled Contour. It has a slight angle. Not, you can't really like see it. Ooh, super soft. Ooh, very soft. Angled contour. This one is the LR110. It is a flat shader brush. Brushes are always good to have. The more, the better. This one is the LR005 Tapered Blending Brush. Skinny kind of blending brush, not very fluffy. Soft, yes, very much so. Very, very much digging these brushes. The last item in this last month's box, it is the Auto Balm Pick Perf Shadows on the Go from the Balm Cosmetics. I really like the Balm Cosmetics. They have a lot of fun with their packaging and their names and stuff, so I really do enjoy them. This is like a tin. This is the Pick Perf, what does it say? Pick Perf Auto Balm Shadows on the Go palette. It is yellow tin. It kind of looks like a license plate. I like it. I really dig their packaging and all that stuff. So it has a nice mirror here. We have 3, 5, 6, 7 shadows and something that says a neutral primer. It says layer any of these shadows on top of our primer for a look that will stop traffic. See what I mean? I like it. I like where they go with things. So let's go ahead and swatch these shadows. Oh, sugar. Let me just go ahead and show you what just happened here. So from my right to left, possibly your left, we have the neutral primer, which has a subtle hint to it. You see it has a subtle pigment there. Then we have the Broadway shade. We have Sunset, Market, Ocean, Rodeo, St. Charles, and Pennsylvania. And the shade Sunset definitely picked up on top of that primer. Look at that pigment there with the primer. Holy crap, that shadow looks awesome. Wow. Look at this. I'm literally wiping with this fucking thing. I can't even. So, what are my top 3 items from this box? I will tell you. The first one is the brushes from Larousse Beauty. They're vegan, they're synthetic, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, soft brushes, cool brushes. I mean, the studded handle, awesome. The next thing would be the liquid lipstick from Il Makiage or Il Makiage, whichever you want, in matte geisha. I am such a, well, what would I use? I just love red lipsticks. I'm just a huge fan of red colors, obviously. So definitely in my top 3. And the Balm Cosmetics Pick Perf eyeshadow palette. The difference in the shades when I put it on the primer, I mean, bruh, it definitely popped out more, it stood out more. It just gave it a little something extra. Definitely am digging that. I need to try that on my eye to see how it works out. But the shades are cute and the packaging is uber cute. I mean, this is so awesome. And the fact that they put a tab there so that you can just pop it out whenever you're done with it, and you can, you could use this for something. And we are at the end of another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to sign up for your own Ipsy box, I'll go ahead and put my link down below. Check it out. And also follow me on social media at MakeupPixie. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!